How do you quickly center? Okay. So I don't think I answered the question, because you're saying how do you quickly center? Okay, let me answer the question a different way, and I'll just read on now. There's lag between message typed and you seeing it. Yes, there is. Yeah. Thank you from Kelly. Kelly, let me answer your question a different way. How do you quickly center? Is it's more straightforward way to answer what you asked. Your will, and let me describe it this way. In your sacral chakra is with your life force, and literally when you tap into your life force itself, it's your drive. We've had this conversation. So you're tapping into the drive of yourself, and that's the seat of your will. So how you direct your energy and your focus and your intention is about your will. It's the direction that you send your life force in. Is when your life force is directed towards to center and to be present, is you place your seat of will in the present moment, and you hold your center with that power. So you're coming into the power of your will. And you notice I'm avoiding saying willpower, because it's a cliche and people go, yeah, willpower. It's not the cliche. It's the seed of your will. So when you will yourself to the moment and you will yourself to be present, it becomes much more difficult to be pulled out of that or pulled away from it. And that also allows you to resist your triggers as easily. Your triggers find more and more difficult to pull you into the charge, because you're into the engagement of your life force itself. So you're in the living of your life force rather than the fighting the charge of it, if you understand. So that's the root. That's the root answer to how do you deactivate a charge really fast, is root yourself into the will of your life force, is literally become your own drive. And that's where your power resides. And then the charge has less control. So that'd be the quickest way to do it. So you're not getting caught up in what's the dynamic of the issue. You just realize the charge is going on, and you just pull the charge out of it. Doesn't matter what it is. You just pull the charge out of it. You're back to your seat of your will. You just refuse to step into that charge. So you're walking around the place and lots of people are getting caught up in the charges. You just refuse to get caught up in it. It's not about you. It's not your issues. So why would you even engage in it? So you just don't go there. There you go. Does that make sense? I think that was a better answer than the first one. Both were valid, but that's the quickest way. That's the quickest way to do it. It's not your charge, so don't step into it. Even if it is your charge, unless it has real value and reward and you need to learn something, come out of it. Simply because don't let yourself react. Yeah, just reacting out of an unconscious action is hold yourself in your life force in the present moment. And it's very hard to just unconsciously react to things. You just don't do it. Most times anyway.